So let's find out how to modify this traditional Bengali Aloo'r Dum recipe to its heart-healthy, low-sugar version while retaining its essential flavours. Heart patients need to keep their blood sugar levels in check. Actually, all of us do. And potatoes have a high glycemic index. So if you're diabetic or pre-diabetic and trying to manage your sugar levels without medication through diet and lifestyle, you may wish to ask your doctors about how much potatoes you should be consuming and try out this dish accordingly. The 3 teaspoons of sugar need to be restricted to 1 teaspoon or less if you can manage it, or replaced with a low GI artificial sweetener that you're okay with. Mustard oil to be replaced by a heart-healthy oil of your choice. Quantity-wise, keep in mind that half a litre per person per month is the safe heart-healthy limit.
Cinnamon, cardamom, dry roast and grind. To make the garam masala, it's difficult to find. Baby potato, pressurize with salt, peel and creek. Coriander, cumin, chili and turmeric. Garam masala, sugar and salt to your taste.
About salt, keep in mind that the safe heart-healthy limit is no more than 1 teaspoon per day per person.
Mix it with water to make spicy paste. Aloo'r Dum, Aloo'r Dum, dum dum dum, Aloo'r Dum, Aloo'r Dum, Aloo'r Dum, dum dum dum, Aloo'r Dum. Heat oil and bay leaf and cardamom green. Clove, cinnamon, red chili and whole cumin. Add hing and mix, then tomato puree. Stir and add ginger without further delay. Then mix in the spice paste till it releases oil. Add peas, water, salt, sugar, let the water boil. Then add potato, cook until dry. Sprinkle garam masala, now it's time to try. Aloo'r Dum, Aloo'r Dum, dum dum dum, Aloo'r Dum, Aloo'r Dum, Aloo'r Dum, dum 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 dum, dum 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 dum, dum 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 dum.
Just wishing all of you good health, fantastic fitness levels and all the energy you need to enjoy the festive season with zero regrets. Subscribe to the Metronome for more of our signature recipe songs and their healthier versions. I'm Sawan at the Metronome and I'll see you again soon.